if you are going to be out and about the next couple days, you can plan on it being hot. Just how hot is it compared to, some other months? Look this data up. Now, this is the average temperature in Brownsville. If you take the high and low each day and average it out and then take all those for the month, August of 2018 was the warmest of the August, going way back into, I think I only went back about 40 years or so, but recently, not going back forever, but recently some of the warmest August was last year. Now, this August, we're already back to exceeding that number, 87.8 degrees Fahrenheit. We're already at 88.6 for an average temperature for the month. So the way it's going, there's going to be one hot August to finish here. It's very warm all across the valley. Heat advisory again today. Heat advisory until 6 p.m. All the valley counties all the way toward the coast included. Because it's sunny, it's hot, the heat index could be up above 110 or so for a few hours. Heat advisory returns today. 100 degrees or hotter still expected in many areas in the next couple days and staying hot. I don't know how many times I can say hot, but it's staying that way for a while. 96 in Weslaco, 97 in McAllen, 92 along the coast in Port Isabel. Overall, it looks like temperatures will stay probably in the lower 100s at best or so for highs today, about 100 to 104 in many areas. But so we're up there right now, getting close. It already feels over 100 when you put in the heat index. The temperature calculated feels like 110 in Brownsville right now, 103 in Rio Grande City, 104 in Raymondville. No rain out there. The First 1-5 Doppler network pretty quiet. Earlier talked about maybe just enough moisture in the air and with not too much of a breeze around that the sea breeze might try to spark a little tiny shower somewhere in here in the next couple of hours, but it's going to be a slim chance. I wouldn't count on, don't get too excited about the rain chances, basically. If it does happen to flare up a little 5-minute shower, that's about it. Satellite radar shows dry weather across the area and mainly sunny skies around. Future Track tries to show the sea breeze sparking a couple of clouds and maybe a quick little shower you see briefly pop up there early this afternoon, but then it quickly dissipates if it ever does form. And then tonight, mainly clear to partly cloudy skies. Tomorrow is a day when probably going to be about like today. If you didn't like today, you should at least like tomorrow because it's one day closer to the weekend. Sunshine for the most part on Thursday and dry weather. Temperatures probably exceeding 100 degrees in most areas, and pretty much this is going to be true again as we go into the day on Friday and toward the weekend. Now at the coast, still if you want to cool off, probably the best place because the air temperatures there on the beach kind of top out at around 90 or so in the afternoon. But look at the water temperature, still at 78. If you're in the surf at South Padre Island, 84, the bay temperature near Port Isabel. Low tide this evening. Next high tide is tomorrow morning, pretty close to sunrise. First 1-5 AccuWeather forecast today, 102 sunshine, heat advisory. If you don't like the heat, got to stay in. Hottest part of the afternoon in the air conditioning. Down to 79 late tonight, which means pretty much all night, though, will still be in the 80s. You might briefly get down to about 79 or so, close to sunrise. And first 1-5 AccuWeather 7-day forecast, 102 on Wednesday, 102 on Thursday. Doesn't change too much. Might drop a degree or so as we go toward the weekend and next week. Once in a while, you see a few PM showers in there. Once again, do not get too excited about that. If there is one or two little sea breeze showers one of those days, that's about it. Nearly every place will probably stay dry and hot with the muggy weather continuing through the middle part of August. We'll keep tracking it here and have a look at the tropics too later and your first 1-5 forecast on Channel 5 News at noon.